Well, good morning. This is Alex coming at you from Minnesota Combi. As I was explaining to people yesterday, I got a little dilemma going on here and I'm trying to figure this out. And out of all 8 books I have, nothing in there gives you instructions or an explanation of how to do this. You do have some photos, but not many. So anyway, I'll get right to it. Turn the camera here. Okay, these are the seat mechanisms. Okay, so this whole thing slides back. There we go. Okay, so it sits like that. All right. Now where the back of that touches, I need to cut a board out that fits all the way across. You can see the marks right there from where the other side leans up. So there's technically 5 pieces to this. There's this rail setup, that rail setup, and then those 2 top cushions. Now each one of those has a 1/2-inch piece of plywood or plyboard on it. And then I have some of this aluminum diamond plate, which is a backer to it to reinforce it a little bit and to make sure that the wood doesn't wear out. Now, I can't go any further on this until I get that piece of wood in here. So, that's my next step today is I got to run to the hardware store or Home Depot, and God, I'm shaky today too here, trying to hold the camera, and pick up a piece of wood, and then I have to notch it for where when this thing pulls out. Now see, maybe, no, it ain't gonna cooperate. Hang on one second here, I gotta set the camera down. Now we got it. Sorry about that. Okay, so when this thing pulls out, where the top of that comes down, right there, that needs to sit just forward, just enough. That's too much there. But it needs to sit forward just enough where those the very back of that, right back there, needs to sit into a notch on that board. So when I was sitting here yesterday talking to people, this is my dilemma. And these rails are out of a 77 Riviera model Volkswagen Campmobile bus. So they're not technically for the 71, but they'll work. Okay, so that's just a quick update. That's what I'm working on. I'll get back to you guys. Thanks for tuning in.